do.
What?
What I'm going to do.
Okay, first you wash the rice.
Okay. It's hot.
Just warm. Okay, wash it. No, not with. Just use your hands. You don't need a sponge like that. Okay, and then
Okay.
drain the water.
Okay, I'm going.
Slowly, that you're not gonna waste rice. And yeah, that's it. To wash one more time.
Okay, I'm ready. Stop.
Okay. Then dump the water.
Okay. And 1 second. There you go. Okay.
Slowly.
I think that I want it.
Okay, that's
I
it.
don't need soap.
Okay, that's it. Nana. Don't do it. Then this is 3 cups. You need 3 cups of water too.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
No, 1. Dump it.
1. 2.
2. Slowly.
3.
3. Then slowly, like it. Then you have
I
to,
know I'm sorry.
then you do have to do like that.
Okay.
And that's it. It's not gonna wash, just to make the rice flat. Put it down. Put it down.
Okay.
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 Okay, and then yeah, put it in the rice cooker. That's it. I'm gonna wipe the bottom. Make sure there's no water on the bottom. In here. You wipe the bottom.
I'm going to off my chair. One wife is flowing. Just only one.
Huh?
One wife is flowing.
One rice is boiling.
Yeah.
Okay, then we put it in the rice. We put it inside the rice cooker.
Okay.
Okay, put it inside.
Okay, and I'm going to use my chair.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Okay, like that.
Close it.
Close it and let mommy do it for up to plug it. Okay, you
What I'm going to do, mommy?
then push it down.
Okay.
Down, yeah, I mean rice cook. So we just gotta wait, and that's it. That's how you cook rice.